Hi, this is Sharmin here. Today I'm going to talk about heart structure and function. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So heart lies in the thorax behind the chest bone and between the two lungs. So heart is here. Mammalian heart has 4 chambers, so you must remember that, and 2 upper chambers called atria, that is below the 2 large chambers known as ventricles. So the right side of the heart is completely separated from the left side by means of muscular wall which runs down the middle of the heart. Deoxygenated blood unable to mix with oxygenated blood in the left side. So blood from various parts of the body is returned to the right atrium, and blood from the head, neck and arm is returned to the right atrium by large vein called superior vena cava. You must remember that, superior vena cava. And blood from the other part of the body is brought back by the inferior vena cava, and right atrium receives receives deoxygenated blood from the two vena cava. When the right ventricle contracts, the blood pressure forces the flaps to close the opening into the atrium. This presents backflow the blood into the atrium, and blood leaves the right ventricle by only one other route, and namely the pulmonary arc. So later leaves the heart and divides into 2 pulmonary arteries, one to each lung, and oxygenated blood from the lungs is brought back to the heart by way of pulmonary veins which open into the left atrium. Between the left aorta and the left ventricle is the bicuspid valve, and right ventricle has thinner walls than the left ventricle. It pumps blood to the lungs which are a short distance from the heart. Two small coronary arteries, that is originate from the aortic arc. They give off branches that supply of oxygen and food substance to the heart muscles. So guys, I hope that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. If you need more class, go to my website www.educatorsharmin.com. That's all. Thank you very much.